There are almost 100 active cases of COVID-19 on the island of Ambergris Caye, and the municipality of San Pedro is readily becoming a ghost town. It's been 6 days since the island has once again been placed under a lockdown, with the number of COVID cases increasing daily. Tuesday night alone, there were 31 new cases identified from 3 clusters on the island: a church, a construction site, and a nightclub. Today, there are 40 new cases on the island. There is little movement on the island, and a number of businesses have closed their doors, and essential service providers, including supermarkets, remain open. Adhering to safety and health regulations at businesses are clearly visible, with sanitation stations and mandatory use of face masks.
The impact and the reactions in everybody is that they are very worried, and they are trying to take all precautions necessary in order to somehow mitigate the increase in cases. And a lot of people are actually moving around just for essential needs, going to grocery stores, or some people going to work, because a few places are still open. Some restaurants, some stores that hire cashiers and that kind of labor. So there is movement on the streets, but it's becoming very minimal, because now that the situation is getting, I would say, a bit out of control. The people are taking it even more serious.
One of the few restaurants that are open is Caliente, providing takeout food only. This is what they're doing to safeguard customers and staff.
We don't allow customers to come in. As you can see, we have a table over there where we have our water. That's for the workers also, as before they come in, they have to wash their hands. And precautions when they order the food, they're doing it either online or on the phone. And when they come and pick up or we deliver, we wash the money. We take it to the sink, and the money that's already washed from yesterday, we give as change. So that's, to me, it's very important, as like for not spreading it. Everybody here at the restaurant has their mask at all times, and we try to keep our 6 feet distance.
San Pedro is arguably the prime tourism destination in the country. Annually, tens of thousands of visitors make their way to the island to soak in the sun and white sandy beaches. But the industry has been shattered by COVID-19, and the lockdown, while necessary to contain the spread, prevents domestic tourism. The inactivity on the island is hurting the pockets of many stakeholders, including tour guides, whose livelihoods have vanished.
It's a little bad. I understand we need the lockdown, but at the same time, we cannot close business permanently. People in the tourism industry have been affected, so at some point, as the grant and the loan will be coming out, it'd be wonderful to help the guides, tour operators, and also you have people in the construction business. I think the construction should still be open in terms of helping people with financially. A lot of people on the island has to pay rent, water bill, light bill. Who's going to pay it? So the government need to look into these things.
While there have been reports of cyberbullying and threats made against COVID-positive persons, there is a call of support for those affected by the Ministry of Health. San Pedro Sun's senior reporter Duane says that islanders are supportive.
Besides, some people getting, being bashed because they might have infected other persons. I have encountered that other members, more members in the community, are actually, showing support to these people that are going through this disease. And some people are actually helping with food. They are keep checking on them, trying to see if the person is doing better, because they believe that if these people get over the disease, sooner than later, it will benefit the island.
Duane, Moody for News 5.